Hi, I'm Sherry, and happy Mother's Day. Hope you are all having a great Mother's Day, or did by the time you see this. I'm going to smoosh two BOXYCHARMs together because I am so far behind, I don't know where to start. Okay, so there might be some stuff mixed in here from my Sephora VIB, and I'll try to avoid that. Okay, so Alamar is from the newest one, and the nude is from the other one, I think. Okay, so the newest one, the theme is Make Waves, and so we're just going to work our way down through here. Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I just tried it on the back of my hand because I haven't had makeup on to use this to take it off. Feels very nice and creamy. And as I recall, it didn't smell too bad. But it's a nice big tube. It says fragrance-free. I don't remember thinking it was fragrance-free. But it's supposed to condition, deep cleanse, and take off your makeup. So that's nice. And that retails for $28. I was very excited to see Alamar back in the box. I really love the Alamar eyeshadow palette that I think they sent us like maybe last summer. But this is Alamar Blush. So it's the Colorette Blush Trio, and it is 3 blushes. This is what I'm wearing today. Then you have a little bit peachy pink. And then you have all the way like peachy orange. Very pretty. So like I said, I'm wearing the pinkest one. My shirt looks red, but it is hot pink. That's weird. It looks so different. Okay. Let me find my whites. Okay. And that retails for $22. I'm not sure how you say this. Ciati London or Ciati London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And it says it will create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. Metallic glittering liquid shadow. For $22. You know, I don't know that I'll ever use this, but it is awful pretty. Stand up, you. Very pretty. But I know that I tried the ones from, I don't know, who were they from? You know, the ones that everybody has. I think Kitten is one of them. And I got one of those in a box somewhere, and I didn't really care for that liquidy feeling on my eyelids. Plus, I have such hooded eyes. So, I will probably give that away. Next is Steve Laurent Lip Gloss. And that is a brand I have not heard of. And the color is Posh. That is not what I'm wearing, because this is nude, or pretty nude. I decided to wear something from something else. Okay, so it's a doe foot, and it's, you know, fairly nude. So I will also probably put that in the giveaway. Okay, Steve Laurent, and that is $22. And last is it says Becca Assorted Primers, and I guess that means that not everybody got the same one. But I'm glad I got my favorite, which is, I think it's First Light. Where is the damn name? Yeah, Becca First Light. Or unless they put multiple primers in here. I don't think so, because the box says First Light. Yeah, I got a whole tube of First Light. And the funny thing is, I had just bought a new tube of First Light. I don't know, maybe 3 months ago. So that'll come in handy. And that is $18. So my Mouth Genius isn't here today, so I'm not going to bother totaling. I'll just move on. Okay. Now our next card is Peace, Love, and Boxy. Okay, this was the month before last, I believe. Pure, the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. I have not yet used this because I have not had on makeup for eons. Because I just not been feeling well since I got back from Florida, which is a lot of why I've not been on YouTube. But I've been trying to watch and comment as I can. So this is, oh, it smells good. I can't quite tell what it smells like, but it smells pretty good. It's very glittery, these are, anyhow. So it's called Festival. A 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold imaginative pigments to elevate your look. And that is $36. I definitely will probably, well, I was going to say, I probably will try it. I'm not certain yet if I will keep it, because there's something else I wanted more in my Sephora VIB. Okay, the next thing is the Luxie brush set. It's called the Summer Days set, and that retails for $28. And it says that it was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. It's got the Luxie 512 small contouring, the Luxie 245 small shader, and the Luxie 209 large shader. So they're all eye brushes. I wouldn't have thought that was an eye brush, but who knows. Okay, I have not used those yet because the Luxies I usually save for, unless there's an eye brush, a type of eye brush that I don't have, I usually just go ahead and put them in my kit or give them away. Okay, where are we? Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Another thing I will probably give away. Not really my jam. I know I love highlighter, but I'm just not a big glitter metallic person. So this is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it's a loose powder highlight that can be used on eyes, lips, face, and body. Let me see if I can get a little to come out. No? There's probably packaging here that I haven't figured out yet. Yeah, there's probably a sticker or something. Anyhow, actually, it doesn't. On the outside, it looks pretty intense. But yeah, I don't know. That might be a you know, a doable option for me. For whatever reason, the color is called Purple Dream. Doesn't look purpley in the slightest. Okay, and that was $27. Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. There's another one I probably won't keep. $21. Oh crap. Well, you can see it. It's not opened, but you can see that is intense glitter. So that's going in the giveaway. Okay, and that is $21. And then the Bodyography Eye Pencil for $14. I am running out of time. Not quite yet. Okay, Bodyography Eye Pencil. And it is in an odd color. Oh, it's an eye pencil? But it's like... Oh, it's like a bronzy metallic. It was when I first put it over here, I was like, that's an eye liner, because it hardly looked like anything, but now that I look at it closer, it is a bronze metallic type of thing. Okay, so that is all. And let's see, I am wearing, like I said, the blush from the Alamar palette. I am not wearing the holographic glitter. And on my eyes is something from my Sephora VIB sale, which I will tease. Huda Beauty Nude. So, yeah, I didn't know that I wanted it, and then I started looking at it, and I was like, you know, the thing that makes me judge a palette is how many crease shades are in there that are not glittery. So obviously there are glitters in there. There are quite a few, in fact, but there are also quite a few mattes. So I ended up really loving it. And on my lips is something else from the Sephora VIB. It's a Bite Beauty lip stain. So that's this. So I'll be doing my Sephora VIB separately, but that's that. See, and it makes the lipstick look red too when it's hot pink. Anyhow, okay, there's 2 boxies. Got just enough time that maybe I can swatchy-rooney a couple of these. And these, that is some massive glitter, man. Although the ones in the Huda, they're quite chunky too. Those are flippin' beautiful, but I don't know that I would ever wear anything that chunky. There's a nice hot pink, and this one is called Hidden Desert. It's sort of a brownish red, like an earthy red, an earthy brown, I mean. Okay, so there's that. Might as well give you a shimmer. There's glitters and shimmers, so let me give you a shimmer. Ooh, I love me some bronze. Yeah, that has some promise. Alright, so there are my boxies for, I guess that would be April and May. I was in Florida. Okay, miss. I was in Florida visiting my brother for a week. Then I got back and I had fatigue really bad for a week and a half. Then I had vertigo for a week and a half. So I'm just finally starting to feel better. And my camera's going blank and blank, blank, blank. You're running out of time. Alrighty, take care. Be well. And always be yourself. Always. Bye-bye.